Hey there! Financial Frontier here to chart your path to financial freedom, and today we are going to discuss the implications of artificial intelligence in business. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a game changer in the world of business. From streamlining processes to predicting consumer behavior, AI is transforming the way companies operate. In this video, we will discuss the impact of AI on various aspects of business and draw on the insights of successful entrepreneurs and influencers who have leveraged AI to achieve success. Automation and AI. The use of AI in automation has been one of the most significant developments in the business world. Companies can now use AI technology to automate routine tasks, such as data entry and report generation. Automation using AI technology saves time, improves efficiency, and reduces errors in data processing. This technology has been widely used by successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Amazon uses AI in automating many of its processes, from product recommendations to supply chain logistics. Decision-making and AI. AI algorithms have also made an impact in business decision-making. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights into consumer behavior and trends, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions. For example, Spotify uses AI algorithms to personalize user experiences, offering customized playlists based on individual music preferences. Similarly, successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, founder of Tesla, have used AI algorithms to optimize their production processes and improve product design. Customer service and AI. AI has transformed customer service by enabling the creation of chatbots that can handle simple customer inquiries. Chatbots powered by AI technology can take over mundane tasks and free up human customer service representatives to focus on more complex tasks. Additionally, AI algorithms can analyze customer interactions, identify patterns, and provide insights that can be used to improve customer satisfaction. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter have been using AI technology to provide better customer service, and successful entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, have leveraged AI technology to improve their customer service offerings and create more personalized experiences for users. Marketing and AI. The use of AI in marketing has been a game changer for businesses looking to reach their target audience. By analyzing consumer data, AI algorithms can identify customer needs and preferences, allowing businesses to create highly targeted marketing campaigns. Additionally, AI can be used to analyze customer interactions with marketing campaigns, providing insights that can be used to optimize future campaigns. E-commerce platforms like Alibaba have been using AI technology to create highly targeted marketing campaigns, resulting in increased customer engagement and sales. Data analytics and AI. Data analytics has been revolutionized by the use of AI technology. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns that would be difficult for humans to spot. By providing insights into consumer behavior and trends, AI technology can help businesses make informed decisions. Successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos have been leveraging AI technology to analyze customer behavior and make informed decisions. By using AI in data analytics, businesses can optimize their operations and improve their bottom line. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI technology is transforming the way businesses operate. From automation and decision-making to customer service and marketing, AI is providing businesses with new tools to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. By leveraging the insights of successful entrepreneurs and influencers who have successfully implemented AI technology, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in today's ever-changing business landscape. Thanks you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one.